We can figure out here how many kilowatts of energy we're going to use every year. We can actually calculate that. We can calculate how many BTUs we're going to need to heat the house and cool the house. We can calculate how much of the products that we use that are recycled. We can actually figure that out because we can actually take those pieces apart and weigh them and tell. We can figure out, to some extent, like this stone came from Indiana. This is called Indiana limestone. They quarried this stone, then they cut it, then they shipped it on semi-trucks, and we have a pretty good idea how much carbon we use or how much diesel energy we use to travel from Indiana here and how much. So that's kind of like, we figure out those calculations. You know, the idea here is to use as much renewable energy like wind turbines. You know, if we can take wind energy, we're not making any like combustible byproducts. You know, we're not using any fossil fuels to make energy with the photovoltaic cells or the solar. But we need fossil fuels to cut the stone, and we need fossil fuels to deliver the stone. We can calculate based on how many gallons of diesel we use. I think it takes 100 tons of organic material to make 1 gallon of gas. So now there's a lot of energy stored in 1 gallon of gas. It can take your car 25 miles with all your friends. That's a lot of energy, but it takes millions of years and 100 tons of carbon to do that. So that's kind of how we do it.